everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. I feel like I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a minute because a lot of my things were pre-filmed, but I'm excited to be back here. Today we're going to talk about this, not that fashion edition. So kind of like a swap this for that. I've done this video in the past, I think almost over a year ago, talking about like trends, like old trends and how to swap it out with the new trends. And that's not really what I'm doing today. These are kind of tips and tricks if you feel like your clothes or your style is falling a bit boring, or you're just like tired of the same old. You dress in a way that you see all over the place and you just want to switch it up. Nothing is wrong with the like things I'm telling you to swap out. It's just kind of if you're looking to spice up your outfits a little bit. I mostly picked things I see all the time, like going out and girls my age wearing, or younger, older, whatever. These seem like very staple pieces or outfits that girls are wearing today. I'll literally go into a place and I'll see like 5 girls in the same outfit, and literally nothing's wrong with that. I don't care. It's just how I came up with these like swapping or whatever. And kind of what I would do if I was wearing more of these like super popular pieces and like combinations. Okay, the first thing that I think will make you look so much more fashionable and is so easy is for when you're going out, and I've talked about this a lot, is swapping out your white sneakers for a pair of boots, loafers, or even like the leather Doc Marten sneaker. I really think the white sneakers just scream like going to a frat house or a frat party. Even during the day, if you're going like day drinking or something like that, you will just look so much more fashionable swapping out your white sneakers for something, literally anything different. So normally when I go out, I tend to reach for a pair of booties. I'm pretty comfortable in heels. Especially, you know, a heel with a chunkier structure. These ones are from Aloha's. They have a really nice square toe. A pointed or a square toe is also something that will make you look really like fashion forward. I could wear these all night and I have zero issues with them. Even wearing something with a platform, I have these from Steve Madden that are a few years old now. I can wear these out all night and they do not hurt at all. They have the chunky heel and the platform. They are super tall and everyone's always like, oh my god, don't your feet hurt? But there will be girls in their little kitten heels where their feet hurt so bad, and I'm like, you need a platform and a chunky heel if you want to make it throughout the night. If you have issues with your heels, maybe you can try that out. But if you're really opposed to, I don't want to wear heels at night, I just want to have a good time, Doc Martens, literally you can't go wrong with any type of Doc Marten for a nighttime shoe. It's a nice leather classic shoe. It'll always be in style. They will literally stand the test of time, especially like a frat party. You won't have to have your like nasty frat shoes. You can put on your Doc Martens and when you get home, you wipe them down. My 2 personal favorites for Doc Martens are obviously the Jaden Doc Martens, which is just the boot with a bit of platform, and then I think they're 1461s, which is like a leather sneaker basically. That's what I think they're like technically called. They don't really look like a leather sneaker. And then of course you guys know cowboy boots. Literally you will look so cool wearing your cowboy boots to anything. They're perfect for daytime or nighttime, especially just a black pair of cowboy boots. You can wear them with long pants, dresses, skirts, you name it. They're so freaking cute and everyone will be obsessed. And then even loafers. My loafers are super comfortable. I have a chunky pair from Steve Madden. They're like under $100. And I'm pretty sure they will last me forever. If you really want to wear your sneakers, like that's just your style. The whole thing I want to get like straight with this video is this is definitely for people who are just like bored. If you already know how you like to rock your white sneakers and you're like, no, like this is my brand, this is my favorite outfit, I love them, do it. This is for people who want to switch it up, because I don't care what you do. I'm just trying to help you out. But if you really want to wear sneakers and you still want to be like a little different or a little bit more like fashionable than a pair of Air Force Ones, again, nothing wrong with Air Force Ones, try going for a more colorful sneaker. So right now, the like dad sneaker, running sneaker, hiking sneaker, I don't know if you call it a sneaker, like the Solomons or whatever, they're all super cool and trendy. I've talked on them so many times. I have these Nike P6000s. I got them off Nike like 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, for $45, and now they're on StockX for like a 200 or something stupid. But I've been wearing these non-stop for years, and just now they're super trendy. But that's what I like to show, is that like, even though this sneaker is really hot right now, when it falls out of favor, it's something I'm still going to be wearing, and you can totally get away with still wearing. But these are like bright yellow and pink, and they literally add such a spunk to any outfit. I think that wearing these out at night, you'd look so fashionable and so cool. So many ways to style the sneaker. I can link, for everything I'm talking about, I will have links in the description box, but I think a colorful kind of running sneaker is a really cool look for replacing your white sneakers. Maybe not as much for going out, but I'd wear these going out, like to just, you know, like a random bar or whatever, where you don't have to be like dressed up or anything. You totally get away with these and styling them in a super cool way. And also, who cares about fashion rules? Wear whatever you want, whenever you want. Okay, the next thing I think is going to be really controversial. So I have not worn leggings in even an athleisure way in like years. I literally never ever wear leggings. I don't wear them around my house. I don't find them comfortable, and I find them super unattractive on me, and they're not my style at all. I literally hate leggings on me. I don't care about other people. But I have found that I've been reaching for a pair of track pants. So much more, just a straight leg, you know, like the Adidas classic track pants. They're so easy to thrift. If you can't find them in the women's section, check out the men's. Check out the little boys as well, because sometimes they accidentally slip like a smaller women's size into the little boys' track pants. I think a pair of track pants are just so much more trendy right now, and you look so much cooler than wearing a pair of leggings. You can do leggings, sneakers, and a hoodie, and then if you do track pants, sneakers, and a hoodie, the track pants look so much freaking cooler. I'm obsessed. Super inexpensive to hop on that trend. So comfortable. I literally wear my track pants 24/7. You can find them on Depop, Poshmark. I'm sorry for the legging slander. I just hate them on me. The next one is more of like an outfit combo that I see all the freaking time. Especially, this is more of a daytime one, is the plaid shacket and a pair of jeans. Have I worn this outfit? Of course. It is so basic in a good way, it just looks good. If you're looking to step out a little bit and try something different that you still feel comfortable in, try swapping out your plaid shacket for a jean jacket. So instead of the shacket and jeans, do a denim jacket and jeans. It is so trendy right now, so fashionable, so high fashion. You wear a denim on denim set, you can wear it with a pair of bright colored sneakers, kitten heels, boots, booties, loafers, Docs, anything in like a pop of color bag, and you will look so freaking cool. Denim on denim is super trendy right now, and it's so easy to participate in. I'm sure most of you have a pair of jeans and a denim jacket, and they don't have to match perfectly. They don't have to match at all. They can be contrasting. So many different ways to try it, and I bet you'll get a lot of compliments if you go out in that opposed to your shacket and jeans. Again, I don't care though. I still like shacket and jeans. I just need to get that out there because I always get so many comments where people get butthurt, and I'm not trying to offend anybody because I couldn't care less. Next. So another thing I see so many people wearing out and about is a leather blazer. I love my leather blazer. I've had it for a while now, and it's definitely something I reach for all the time. I think to change it up a little bit, adding a thick belt around your leather blazer is so cute, especially with the like belts and grommets and buckles being so on trend right now. If you have a really thick belt in the back of your closet from the early 2000s, put that on over your leather blazer, pair it with your leather Melina pants or a pair of jeans, a skirt underneath if your blazer's big enough, nothing underneath, and a pair of tights. So high fashion. You can layer a bunch of belts as well. If you have the double grommet belt over your leather blazer, I think that would be so cute. It's just a new way to style your leather blazer that brings new life to it. So I really like that. The next one is something I've talked about, I think, in one other video, and that's just how to style your leather pants. Like I said, the leather Melina pants from Aritzia literally took over and everybody's like obsessed with them. I don't have them, but I have leather pants too. And I think the number one way to style your leather pants is like, oh, a night out. I'll pair it with a cute top and a pair of booties, and then I go out and that's my outfit. Cute, love it, nothing wrong with that. But try styling your leather pants in a more dressed down way. In like a day-to-day way, or even like running errands or something if you want to step out. Pair your leather pants with either like a graphic tee or a hoodie, a crew neck, whatever, and a pair of running sneakers. I love that look. It's such a model off-duty look, and I honestly prefer wearing my leather pants in a dressed down daytime way opposed to a going out nighttime look, because that just feels so overdone to me. But then the leather pants in the daytime, I'm like, ooh, this is fun, this is fresh, this is different. It's really not, but you know, whatever. Whatever makes you wear your pieces a bunch. And the last tip I have for you guys is such an easy one. Change up how you're doing your hair. If you do your hair in loose beach waves every single time you go out, I'm sure it looks absolutely beautiful, but if you're looking at an outfit and you're like, why does this look like I've worn it 800 times? Try changing up your hair. I've been having so much fun with like hair accessories. I mean, I've got 2 pigtails in right now with little bows in. I'm obsessed with tying bows in my hair 24/7. They change up the entire look of an outfit. Or even, you know, the puffy headbands, trying hats on, doing your hair in a different way, half up, half down, space buns, braids. I'm loving 2 braids with little bows at the end of them. It totally switches up an outfit and it can add that like piece you're missing. The thing is, if you do your hair the same way all the time and then you try something different, you might think you look really weird with that hairstyle, and it's literally just because you're not used to it. Like, do you ever have hoops in for a really long time, then you put studs in, and you're like, I feel naked? Or the opposite, where you have earring studs in, and then you put hoops in, and you're like, why does my face look weird? Sometimes it just takes some getting used to, but I really think it's a fun way to switch up your look, switch up your outfit without having to buy new clothes. I literally cut these ribbons off like a Casetify package. How does Casetify make it into every one of my videos? So you don't have to spend any money to get this kind of look. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and just got some tips to change up your look a little bit if you're feeling in a fashion rut. Yeah, and I really hope nobody took offense to this video, because again, everything I said as the before, I love, I still wear. It's just a way to switch it up and try some different outfit combos, whatever. That's it though. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. Bye!